get wife for house, you know if you buy her hair. But you dey buy babe hair for outside. Shed this load. You put your children in a school that is a schooling school. Now, your side chick that is a baby that has a baby for another man that you don't even know. You are sponsoring that one in a big school, bigger than your children. You are a demon. When you are going out of the house, your children are telling you, Daddy, can you give us anything? You say, don't disturb me. Let me see that the economy is harsh. But when you go out, small children come around, they call you uncle, uncle, uncle. You are laughing like mumu. When you begin to share there 200. Some of us, if we check our consumptions, things that doesn't glorify God, check our consumption for the month is enough to stage a foundation of 2-bedroom flat. But we are not conscious of it because we think we are living large. How large can you live at the detriment of your